and welcome back. Stage 4 extra augment. All the way at the end. So I'm gonna still have to save a decent amount of HP this game. Especially it being at the end of stage 4. I've been waiting for my Exotech to give me Hollow Bow, because apparently that's the most broken one now. Which I'll be happy to get. I don't mind. Oh. Wait. Dude, if I get an even bigger T-Hex than the last T-Hex that I had, I would be a very, very happy man. Shyvana 2, Polished Chrome, no, Spare Parts, Shyvana 2, Elise from Orb, Kindred 2 in Shop. It's gonna be a crazy game. I also have Vayne, which automatically makes this a playable game. Kindred or Nidalee, please. I'd also be pretty happy with both Kindred and Nidalee. Now I'm debating between holding Window Pair or the Seraphine. Window Pair might low-key be stronger, but I just hit Morello. I'm kind of down for Trade Sector or pumping up. I think it's just pumping up. Definitely have to level here. I think I'm just gonna make Morello. Oh, Anima. Anima and then no Scout, no Pivot Vayne. Okay. I think I'm gonna slam Morello. I don't really mind making P-Val, but if I want to make a tier item, I probably want to keep this tier. If I get Elise next shop, that'd be lovely. Because I also really like to play an Elise game. I haven't had a proper Elise game in a really long time. Ooh. This guy's line is going to be pretty interesting. I guess we just keep the option open. Dude, I really want to slam this P-Val. But the thing is, it doesn't get enough value. Maybe it does. I don't think I can get through this thing, but maybe I can. Nah, that's way too much HP. Okay, P-Val wins me this fight, but tier item plus Morello later might be life changing. Okay. They should run now. Well. Pre-level, hit Elise, win the game? I'm down for that. My econ's a little cooked, but we'll be fine. Down for Trojan, Shiv. Yeah, really anything. Oh, Trojan, Shiv, and Archangels. Archangels is actually pretty good. I think I'm gonna go Archangels actually. I'm thinking about what my level 6 board would be. It's probably gonna be 2 Dynamo. And I want to play for Archangels because I have Pumping Up as well. Shiv would have also been good. Okay. I missed again, man. Low units. It'd be lovely if you were to show up. Okay, this is just looking like an Aurora game, since I'm not hitting my nitros. Aurora flex. Aurora plus 20. Would I prefer to hold this Yumi over this main? I think the answer is yes. What's my level 6 look like? Whoa. Whoa. That's 5 anima as well. Okay, I think I'm just dropping the nitros. I can play Zaya MF Aurora.
Mortality is truly divine. Call me cute again.
I am directly contesting the guy with Anima +1. And there's probably going to be another Zaya player. But like one more Zaya player and Aurora +1 and Anima +1, like it's totally fine. Okay, wait, we kind of need a front line.
The city's future is riding on Animal Squad's shoulders.
And an Aventron.
Scratchy scratch.
Leveling next turn for 6. I mean for 5. Frontline's probably better. Do I ever just go this Aventron? I feel like I do. Unless I go Gargoyle Belt, Open Belt. Gargoyle Open Belt's probably not even that bad. Honestly, I might sell both of these to make money. Because I'm definitely rolling next turn. Mana flow is pretty good. think I'm just gonna go mana flow.
I hear the innocent cry out.
I'd like to hit a T-star here. Man. They did not want to make it easy for me, huh? Item Cyber Coil. Think I have to sell a Yumi. I'm just gonna be broke this game. Sure. Not even, like, no Seraphine 2 is the real kicker here. Seraphine 2 would have been massive. There's the Elise. Doesn't really do anything. Guess we don't really need these units. It's kind of too hard to play them. Cyber Coil doesn't even work because like I don't even have Jax 2, so he can't really tank. Wish I could put it on Shifana. Hit me with a gun. Honestly, a Leona off Curse would be crazy. I might fix a lot of our problems here. I'm kind of getting lost. Without this, like, I don't have enough money to actually do anything either. So I kind of have to pray that I high roll. Praying what I high roll for is the tricky part here. Like, oh man, dude, I really have to go Evanshroud. Like, Warmonks isn't even that bad. I guess I'm just gonna go Redemption and pray. Warmonks was like pretty ideal because I can put it on Leona. Redemption's still pretty good as well. I'm gonna be really behind in tempo, so I need to hit really hard on 8. And I might need to be 8 a little early this game. Okay, mana flow pumping up is looking pretty good together though. I will scale pretty well this game. We keep the other option open, I guess. We keep the never mind, I think it's awkward no matter what we do. We're probably leveling to 8 on 4-2 and then just waiting and then rerolling on 4-5. The reason we're just waiting is... oh wait, I think this guy beats me by the way. Which is pretty funny for him. doesn't, even with everything slammed. It's crazy. Wait, win. Dang. Oh wait, he took out Cypher. He doesn't even... I guess he wants the +1. I don't think he can get +1 for that cash out. Okay, well, we got the second out. Which is awkward because we can't really play all the units. Because we slammed Archangels and Morello. So it's kind of hard to justify playing Aphelios. But I have them. Spat. Oh, we can play Marksman. Marksman the guy. You know what I'm talking about? We can play Marksman Misfortune. Oh, we're so broke. Honestly, think fast. I'm kind of down. No, think fast. Coronation's pretty good here. Oh, I might call the Chaos. Money would be really nice here too. Oh, Jinx? Gragas. Is that even good?
Live fast, die young.
Oh yeah, come on. I'm about to ruin your day.
The fun begins.
Where do I put this? I'll put this here for now. Okay. And then honestly, Gragas and Darius. I figure out the rest of everything else.
Call me cute again.
I forgot I just have a Gragas 3 on my board.
When going gets tough, you call draw.
I dropped Anima. No Darius yet. Honestly, just put this on Gragas for now. Why not? Dude, this Misfortune ult is actually looking so good. Okay, I overrolled a little bit here because I was greeting. Aurora would be nice. Because my items are so cooked. I need to drop Honestly, I need to drop three units. It's looking like these three. Then I played Darius plus 12. Okay, but I hit 2-star both of them. So I have to play them. Isn't this kind of like, this is so awkward. Maybe it's just Gragas 3 being Gragas 3. So it's just awkward. So just play Syndicate. But the thing is, like, is this even correct? Like, these items, like, can I even move these items elsewhere? I don't know where to move these items. Like, the Shoshin can be on Zaya for sure, but like the Morello, like, where am I supposed to move that? Okay, my Misfortune actually did a lot of damage. I just need to hit Misfortune 2-star. Edge of Night. Honestly, Item Collector. Are there 5 costs I can play on this board? No.
I must not fall.
How do I do this? Let's play like this. Drop the Syndicate. Big.
Always go first.
What is Archangels going on, man? There's like no AP scaling here. Just put it on Braum for now. Hopefully we get a Reforger. I want to go a second damage item, but I can't really move this Morello. Oh, let's 3-star at least. Okay, I can't really move this Morello. I probably need damage, so I want to move this Shojin. I'm keeping Marksman here for sure. The Archangels is for level up, which I'm probably not going to. Okay, they get a lot of swords. Very good. Infinity Edge is what I'm looking for. This Archangel's just gonna sit there. I mean, let me just full reforge this. Sunfire and reforge. Morello. Guardbreaker. Beautiful. See if I can level up next turn. Am I done? 2 HP. Okay, I mean that guy's definitely strongest in lobby. Oh. Oh. I got a little cooked on my pivot. I'm dead. All good. No worries. I guess that roll down on level 6 was just really awful. I need to hit the units, so like I shouldn't be afraid of going 10 gold. Honestly, I'm kind of happy with the endgame board that I end up hitting though. If I was able to level and put in the Darius, I think I was in really good shape. I'd probably drop down to 2 marksmen though. Playing this many marksmen without like, yeah, you know. It's pretty, maybe 4 Dynamo, 2 marksmen, misfortune. I just had a dead Archangels for a really long time. It's actually crazy though that I went 8th. All good. All good. No worries.